Okay guys, look at this setup here. It is an absolute beast, and you might be wondering what the hell is going on, but that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on, because now I can film videos with my selfie camera on here and my microphone all at the same time. So we've got good quality audio and we've got good quality video, no more selfie camera. And I'm going to show you how I achieved this, and I'm actually really excited about it because the way that I've set it up actually looks quite sick. So what we've got here, this is well, I wouldn't say an update from the other one that I did, because this is just like different case scenarios. So the other rig that I had going on was basically more for everyday use, charging on the go and stuff like that, and just kind of more fun. This is more for video and audio specifically. So what I've got going on here, got my Bluetooth audio receiver on the top here, and that connects to my audio microphone on my chest. Then I have this small little hub here. This is a USB-C hub, so you can connect this to your MacBook or actually to your phone. So this phone now has a hub connected to it, and on this hub you have a 3.5mm jack, USB-C on the side. That's one input. You've got an output and an input here for USB-C, so you can use it for anything basically. Underneath we have a USB 2.0. Do I have any other ports? Oh, actually there's a USB 3.0. I've covered your camera, sorry guys. And we've got a USB 3.0 actually on the inside that we can't really access because of the camera flat, but we don't necessarily need that right now. But this is really interesting because these selfie cameras that I've got on here, so I can see myself, see exactly what's in the frame. The battery on these are never any good. Honestly, I've tried out quite a few different ones, and the battery life only lasts less than an hour, if that. So every time I'm halfway through some sort of video, recording something or whatever it might be, this always dies. So I got this hub and I thought I can have the USB going to it because I don't need to transfer data anyway. I think it can actually transfer data, but my phone is now charging this, or kind of topping it up, so it won't lose any battery basically. My phone battery will go down, but this only needs like a small amount of voltage to actually work. So this phone is keeping this charged, so I can have a really easy display of how much battery I've got left, how much time it's going to take up, and how much video time I've got, which is a lot more than what I had just with this screen. Now I can see myself on the good camera, and I have good audio, and this hub is connected with Velcro, so basically I can just take that off anytime I want. I've just got a little fairy patch on my phone, which probably be good if I'm like in a waiting room somewhere just playing with a fuzz, I don't know. So yeah, it was really difficult trying to find the right length leads and all of this type of stuff. So if you're wondering what these glowing dots are, these are my right angle USB-C adapters. How much can they go up to? 240 watts and 40 gigabytes a second, so they have quite high transfer speeds, which is pretty good. Good for the hub here anyway. These cables are also rated for that anyway, so I think the max you can get on iPhone is 10 gigabytes a second, so we're not getting any bottlenecks here anyway, so that's good. So yeah, this selfie screen is attached with MagSafe Circle. So it's attached with a MagSafe Circle square, so I can take this off like this. See, and then I can reattach it just like so. And it's the same with this Velcro thing, I can take it off and on. So yeah, but this is what it's for. This is what it is for, so I can actually see myself. So I can hold my phone quite easily. We've got good quality, and yeah, I'm actually chuffed with this, guys. So if you like my setup, leave a like, comment what type of rig you've got, or any updates that you think I could do or try on my phone, which would be cool. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. But yeah, I think that's everything on this phone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and have a good day, guys.